Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is glossy photo collage frames, and these files for Photoshop mean PSD file and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime all password in this app. Okay, so open this one. You see you can't edit everything or anything. First you need to remove this layer noise, remove it, and now you can edit everything. Okay, you see here, and you can write anything, you can replace your image. For example, open this one or this one. So you see here is frame 2, here is your photo, and next is your shape. But first you unhide these files. Okay, now you need a photo. Open, select any one photo, for example like this one. Okay, simply drag there, okay, you see our photo, our frame is ready. Next, then click here and open any other photo. We need a portrait photo, but I try this one. Drag on frame. Okay, okay, enter. Next, here click on frame, open new, this one, no, okay, and last is here. Okay, now show all lens flares. Okay, our frame is ready. Otherwise you click here, I close it, I tell you second option. Now you click here, remove it. Now click any frame, double click here, we need an image like this one, drag there, Control S, and you see our image is here. Now same thing here, unhide lens, and then you import any image, this one, Control S, okay, and okay, move there. Our frame is ready. Okay, you see, and write anything, replace Sheri SK. No, I say again, password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. Okay, all password in this app. Take care, Allah Hafiz.